Hey guys, how you doing? It's Debbie. Today I'm going to be working on I'm going to use a hairdryer today and blow out some of the paints. And I've decided all of them are a metallic type paint that I'm going to be using. Well, actually, one of these is Joshua. I can never say it. Joshua. I can't say that one right. Anyways, there's a big mixture of different kinds of metallic paints. We're going to see what happens. Going to put it on over black and see what we get. And I think that's it. I'm going to pull you down. Okay, let me get you a little more center. There we go. I don't know what it is about me and paint. I'm always spilling something. Put these over here. I had them all, what I thought was safely, off to the side. And I go and move that down and just spilt stuff. So, spilt 3 things. Jeez, oh Pete. All right. All right, I'm going to be working with, like I said, all of them are metallic paints. We got a couple different kinds of whites, different brands. We're going to do bronze and silvers and some whites here. So this is going to be the bronze, and let's see here. Okay, this one, I spilt half of it just now. This is, it's called glitter. It's a glittery paint. So, so some of that one is from glitter. The rest is metallic. This is a metallic gray. So then we got the white, which is glittery white. And we got the bronze and the black. I figured I'd choose some kind of light ones. And I'm going to put a little bit of blue in there. I think I rush too much, and then then I spill. I don't know. What is it about paint? Okay, so a couple of these are thinner, and a couple of them are a little thicker. This is one of the thicker ones. So I haven't decided if I'm going to how I'm planning on do this yet. Gotta plan this out. Who's going on the bottom? And I spilled the other half of this. So, start with the bronze or the copper color. So I think I'm just gonna take it across. Put a little more there. There we go. No, this is a metallic silver. Okay, all of my paints are mixed up with glue all glue, and let's see, 2 parts glue all glue, 1 part Floetrol. And that's water. Just the water to get it to the consistency. I think I want a little more of that to get it to the consistency that I want it. So, and the black is the latex. That is Glidden latex. Okay. Okay, now for the sparkly white here. A little bit what's left. I got another little bit from another painting off. It's another Joe Sonja. paint. I think I'm going to add, since I spilt some of this one. So this is a metallic-y, it's got a green, you can't tell, but it has a green tone to it. I don't know if they make this anymore, so, but I've had it for quite a while, and it's good to get it used up. All right, so let's, I'm gonna make sure I have enough paint around this to make sure it's gonna move pretty good. So I'm gonna put a little more black around the edge. Okay. I may have to stop and add some more. I'm not too sure how much I'm going to want. Probably a little more over there. It looks like this side's a little thinner than this other side. I'm going to smooth it in there just a little bit. Try not to touch any of that color. Oops. This is a canvas that I'm repainting. If you're wondering what's underneath. I didn't like the way it turned out. So, come on. So anyways, this the latex paints is only mixed with water. There's no silicone in any of the paints. So all the little interesting things that come from the paints will not be coming from silicone this time. All right. Anyways, I'm hoping. Hold on one second here. I have a mic I'm trying to turn on, so I thought it was a... Now you'll be able to hear me better. I'm not sure if this works better. Okay, so my hair dryer, which was sitting out, I have done a little bit of trying to get it so that it comes out a little bit more directed. This hair dryer does not have a low on it, but it does have a cool. So, all right. There, get it on. Got a little too dark there. Probably gonna have to come back and do some of that. All right. I think I'm going to add, obviously, a little bit more color in here and see if we can... This black, I think I probably have quite a bit of black on here, more than I wanted. Okay, let's see what we can do with that. Let's see, this white is pretty light. I gotta tell you that. So let's go over top of that. All right, let's see. I think I'm going to flip this around a little bit. I might move you down some because I'm having a hard time getting my cord. Make sure I don't spill anything again. There's a ton of paints over here that got spilt the other time. All right. Just the hair dryer. Oh, and I bumped this. Oh, no. Oh, no. All right, guys. Let me pull that. Finish pulling that down. You guys having a hard time getting paints? Okay, can you see? I guess I have to move some more things out of the way. We're moving into where I spilled all the paint. The cord is having a hard time. I'm going to have to fix that. Reaching where I want it to come. There we go. I think we're better now. Moving in a little bit. There. I didn't spill anything. Yay! Alright. Let's see what we can do this time. But I can see really, I don't know if you can on the camera, but it's got some sparkle to it. Stop, take a look, and see what we got going on here. Well, there's the puddle right there I didn't get. So I'm going to flip it around, take a nice little look at this. You guys see? Can you see? There is metallic in all the paints on here. I'm really pretty happy with it. I think I'm going to do another painting similar to this once I get some paints mixed up and put a little bit more white, a lot more white, since I spilt a good part of my white. Okay, let me try this. Okay, guys. You know what? I love painting with the hairdryer. This is fun. So I want to make sure this right here, this is where I kind of bumped it. I'm going to kind of make sure that flows with the rest of the painting a little bit. All right, I'm loving this. And you can just see a slight, this glitter paint here is Folk Art Extreme Glitter. This is pretty nice. I can see, and all I did was I thinned some of these down with the glue and the Floetrol so they would move. And if you want to get it more transparent, you could thin it down a little more, put a little extra glue in there because that dries kind of clear. So, but these have turned out pretty awesome. I'm loving it. Love it, actually. Finally, I have something I really love. So, I'm hoping it stays this kind of way. I kind of like the way it just kind of moves and grooves. This is so easy to do, guys. So, if you are watching this and you haven't done this, give it a shot. I mean, down here where I live down here, South Florida. And finally, next week I hear like some of the, like Michael's is going to be opening back up and some of the art shops. So I'll be able to get some paints, hopefully, if they have some in stock. With everybody rushing in and trying to buy a bunch of stuff. But anyways, up by my daughter, they've already opened up. She lives up north of me, about an hour and a half. So a lot of them had opened up already there. So I'm looking forward to this. All right, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this, and I'll be back. Bye.